going to practice writing an equation of a line if we're given certain things about the line. So I'll start here with something that we are familiar with. We already know how to do linear expressions. Like this. So I'm going to start with writing an equation of a line if its slope is 4 and it goes to the point 2, 3. So here's what I'm talking about. I've got a point at 2, 3, and this point has a slope of 4 over 1. So I'm wanting to write the equation that belongs to this line. There's lots of points on this line. 2, 3 just happens to be one of them, but there's lots of other points. And we can find all those other points by writing an equation. So if we're talking about a linear equation, we're going to use y equals mx plus b. So to write the equation of the line, I really need to know two things. I need to know m and I need to know b. So to find that, I'll put 3 for y, 4 for m, 2 for x, and then b is our unknown. So I have 3 equals 8 plus b, so b equals -5. So slope is 4, and y-intercept is -5. So if I write the equation, it looks like this, y equals 4x minus 5. So if we know how to do this with a linear equation, we can also do this with quadratic equations. So I'm going to start with given information and see if I can write an equation. So if I know the vertex is at -2, 1, and it goes through the point 1, -1, I want to try to write the equation. So here's a little picture of what this looks like. It goes through -2, 1, has vertex -2, 1, and it goes through the point 1, -1. So I want to try to write the equation of the quadratic that goes through those points. So since I know the vertex and I know a point, I'm going to use the vertex form, which is y equals a times x minus h squared plus k. So in this particular case, I know the vertex is -2, 1, so in place of the h, I'm going to put a +2 because it's always the opposite direction. And in place of the k, I'm going to put a 1 because it's going 2 to the left and 1 up. The other thing I know is a point that it goes through. I know an x and a y value, so I'm going to put a number for y and a number for x. So the y value is -1. I don't know the a value. I don't know how wide this opens. I know the x value is 1. And now I can just work out the rest here. I have -1 equals a times this is 3 squared, so that's 9. So I have -1 equals 9a plus 1. Subtract 1 from both sides, and then divide by 9. So that means that this thing is wide and upside down. So I know my value of a, I can plug that in for a. So it'll be y equals -2/9 times x plus 2 squared plus 1.